every year. This is the celebration that we do as a tradition here in our farm. So let's check it out. Welcome to my family house in Barangay Bugumbayan. So this is it. Let's check out what we had, what we are having. So this is our fiesta, and this is the celebration. And then my nephew, my nephew's christening. And Tep Tep. 3, 4. And of course, the fiesta is not a fiesta without a roasted pig. So this is the thing that we use during fiesta. So without this, it's not really matter. So this is what we celebrate. This is the area of the house, and the extension here. Of course, that's what we're gonna eat later. So let's check out the house. Let's check out upstairs. When we're celebrating the Barangay Bugumbayan. Yes. So let's check out home. This is what we're having. And then let's have to look at in the room. I use this area here to just an extension for fiesta. And this is, I use this in here because it's so hot today. So at least we have this area to my friends to hang out here also, just in case some of the people were short of space. This is another area here. It's a little garden that we use to hang out, and this is the area later that we play mahjong with my classmates and friends. And this is also the extension of the house. And of course, so this is it. So happy fiesta to our Barangay Bugumbayan. And it's a tradition that we always having fun to enjoy with and celebrate with our family and friends as a sort of enjoyment, and thankful to the Lord our God also for make our farm prosperous year for us as a celebration. I cannot thank enough to my family and enjoying that I'm here today to celebrate this wonderful time, wonderful tradition that we inherit to our great foreparents. And welcome and enjoy the best we give to our barangay fiesta. Welcome to our humble home, and happy fiesta to all. Mabuhay Philippines, and enjoy the day today. Have fun, and more video to go later. Have a good day.